I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So I want you to know that this is a general reading and this is also a timeless reading. So kung kailan nyo po ito napanood, the message is meant to find you. And speaking of general, no, baka makaresonate kayo sa buong reading or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours, okay? Wag po saluhin lahat kung hindi naman po nangyayari, no, sa inyo. Let's begin. The Three of Pentacles. It's supposed to be clarity. It's supposed to be that we are also understanding the do's and don'ts, the ups and downs, no? We're also dapat open tayo sa mga suggestions or opinions, no, ideas of others. Pero parang sa'yo, you close the door. Siguro ayaw mo ngayong mag-post, no? Baka kasi din maraming nakikialam sa buhay mo, kaya sinasabi mo, ayoko na munang mag-post, no? Ayoko may nakakaalam. Pero deep inside, it felt like itong mga nararanasan mo ngayon, hindi ko sinasabing sa hindi mo kaya, pero kasi parang kailangan natin ngayon ng someone who can give us suggestions, opinions, payo, no? Kasi with the Three of Pentacles, we probably, parang kinukulong natin yung sarili natin sa sarili lang natin na idea. Hindi ko sinasabing wala kang alam, no? Ang sinasabi ko dito is, we need to expand the thinking, no? Baka kasi, sabihin na natin, baka kasi either old school, yung pananaw, or baka kailangan na rin nating i-upgrade, no? Itong ating pananaw. Baka kasi din, masyado tayong nag-a-assume sa mga bagay-bagay, no? With the High Priestess, it felt like masyado nating either wala yung balance eh. Masyado tayong nag-overthink, probably. Ito yung pinapalalim natin yung isang sitwasyon na hindi pa naman nangyayari. Baka kasi nandito tayo sa nasa lubsob lang, no? That's actually my favorite example when it comes to overthinking. Let's say nasa lubsob ka, bigla mong sinasabi sa sarili mo na, ay nako, baka mamaya magnana. Tapos yung nana, kumalat sa buong katawan ko. Pag kumalat siya, baka ma-50-50 ako, no? Or baka mamaya, pag kumalat siya, ma-brain dead at yun ang ikamatay ko, no? So, parang hindi pa siya nangyayari. Ang dami na nating naisip. Parang we jump into the rabbit hole of, sabihin nating, worst case scenario, no? With this Strength card, ayaw talaga natin makipag-usap kahit kanino, no? And I think that we need to also respect, no? Siyempre, kailangan natin irespeto. Baka gusto mo lang talaga ng privacy, no? O ayaw mong kausapin itong person mo. That's the thing. So, I picked up the energy of ayaw mong kausapin yung person mo kahit na nagbigay na siya ng ebidensya, kahit na nagbigay na siya ng, sabihin nating, dahilan. Hindi lang ito alibay, no? Ito'y totoong dahilan. Pero sa iyo meron kang sariling paniniwala. So, ito ba yung reason bakit hindi pa kayo, no, maayos ni person? Kasi ang nakikita natin dito, malamang sa malamang, no? Kasi with the Three of Pentacles, parang sarili mong isip is pinopoison mo dito, no? With the King of Cups. So, chances are tumigil na rin ang pakikipag-usap si person. So, parang sinabi ng person dito, ay, kung ayaw mo namang makipag-usap sa akin, di, ayun na nga, nagkaroon kayo ng no communication. Si person, inaantay ka lang namang kausapin mo siya. Ikaw, nag-aantay ka, pero kapag kinausap ka niya, ayaw mo siyang sagutin. So, si person dito nakakaramdam ng total rejection. So, yun yung parang, kung hindi rin naman ako makakausap, kung di ko rin naman makakausap, bakit pa ako mag-initiate, no? You can also interchange the roles, di ba? What I am reading here is the dynamic. Pwedeng ikaw naman itong nag-aantay kay person kasi ikaw itong nag-initiate, tapos nire-reject ka, no? So baka si person itong walang clarity, no? With the Eight of Wands. So ang nakikita natin dito, kahit sana, no, ang communication is kahit sana sa calls, text, messenger, someone is praying na kahit doon lang, no? Okay lang din kung ayaw makipag face-to-face interaction. So parang sinasabi ito, matatanggap ko naman. Pero wag naman yung totally wala akong way to express my emotion towards you. And also, wala akong way para makuha ko, no, ang attention mo. So, with the Nine of Cups in here, I feel like sandali lang naman itong sabihin nating no communication ninyo. I feel like, bakit Nine of Cups? Kasi biglang talon no? Biglang talon sa, bigla mong makukuha or biglang makukuha kung sino man itong nag-aantay ng communication. Kasi nag-i-initiate na yung person Anong mangyayari with the Fool card and the Ace of Wands? Isang magandang, binibigyan ko na kayo ng clue a way dito kung sino man to, lalo na kung merong anak, no? Pwede nating magamit itong anak to communicate with your person and then latter parts ikaw, no? So yun. Again, hindi ko sinasabi, kailangan gamitin mo yung anak mo for ano. Ang sinasabi ko lang dito, siya yung magiging way, no? Doon naman sa mga wala pang anak, it kind of make me feel there's a younger figure in here that would be a sort of like a way, no? Or parang tulay para makapag-usap sa inyo. Pwedeng pamangkin, pinsan niya, na favorite, no? Or it could also be a pet kasi the Fool card, yung traditional tarot, di ba? Meron siyang alagang puppy, no? So, it doesn't always have to be a puppy or a dog. It could be a pet, no? Yun. I feel like yun ang magiging way for to bridge the gap between you and your person. The Empress, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Sun. So, ang nakikita natin dito with the Empress, chances are, I feel like meron lang dito nagpapakipot, no? Sabihin natin na kailangan ko pa ng konting effort, no? Kailangan ko pa ng kaunting pagsuyo, kailangan ko pa ng kaunting, sabihin nating, it could also be a regalo that I wanted, no? But it doesn't always have to be regalo. It could be the word, no, na matagal ko nang inaantay. Pwedeng yung mahal kita, no? Or it could be lumabas tayo or mag-out of town tayo, no? With the Nine of Pentacles in here, ang nakikita natin dito, mag-harvest tayo ng happiness eh. Ang gusto lang natin is maibalik yung warmth ng relationship, di ba? I feel like nagkaroon lang dito ng panlalamig, no? Nanlamig ang isa or nakalimutan na baka meron, hoy baka nakakalimutan mo, may karelasyon ka, no? So parang ganun yung naging siste. Pero the Ten of Swords, bakit Ten of Swords? Kasi parang ang nakikita natin dito masaya. Is this a roller coaster kind of relationship? Kasi with the Five of Swords and the Knight of Swords. So, ito pa rin yung away-bate. Parang bigay-bawi, no? I think meron ditong hindi pa, sabihin natin, hindi pa certain yung pakikipag-usap. So, bigla na naman siya tatahimik. Pero I feel like this is just a pace of this relationship. Chances are maayos din naman ito. Magkakaroon din ng consistency when it comes to the communication. Pero ang nakikita ko dito is more of meron talagang ups and downs pa when it comes to the communication. Pero at least, ang maganda naman is meron ng start-up, no? So, baka kailangan lang mag-heal or kailangan pa pababain itong heightened energy, no? So, kung nakaka-resonate po kayo dito and if you have some questions, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. So, kung gusto nyo po magtanong, click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pwede rin pong lumabas ang zodiac sign nyo dito, no? Mas maganda kung parehas kayo lumabas, no? Sagittarius, Gemini, Aquarius, Virgo. I am seeing Leo, Aries, Pisces. I am seeing Cancer, Scorpio, Aquarius is dominant, and Capricorn. This is your reading. Maraming salamat po. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars aligned.